Our tale begins in the Himalayan ranges of Pakistan, specifically in the Gilgit-Baltistan region. This area, known as the roof of the world, is where we source our gold-graded Shilajit, harvested from altitudes of over 16,000 feet. We have a dedicated team of Shilajit hunters who live in the mountains for most of the year, ensuring we only gather the highest grade of this potent resin. Once we've collected the raw Shilajit, the meticulous process of filtration begins. This stage requires around 15 days of careful attention. Initially, the Shilajit arrives in large stones, which we then crush into smaller pieces. Our filtration method is steeped in tradition, preserving the quality of the product better than any modern machinery could. The water we use is lab-tested, spring water from the mountains of Abbottabad. This water undergoes additional filtration and boiling before being mixed with the raw Shilajit. We repeat this filtration process once or twice a day for 15 days, ensuring that the resulting Shilajit liquid is entirely free from impurities. From here, the drying process commences. Unlike many companies that dry their Shilajit in a couple of days using heat, we opt for a slower, more natural method. Our drying process takes nearly a month, sometimes longer, depending on the weather. We use the sun-drying method, placing the Shilajit in small stainless steel containers within secure glass containers. These are then left in a pollution-free, hilly area abundant with fresh air and surrounded by trees, located 12 kilometers west of Shimla Hill, Abbottabad. This lengthy, careful process allows us to preserve the maximum amount of minerals in the Shilajit, ensuring you receive a product of the highest possible quality. Imagine the incredible potency of Shilajit harvested from the highest points of the Himalayas, processed with such care and delivered to you in its purest form. Why not give it a try? Experience the benefits of the highest quality Himalayan Shilajit for yourself. You won't be disappointed.